Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, guys. Whenever you're watching this video, it's morning for me. Today I want you to clean my bed sitter with me. I'm gonna be taking you through everything I do on a cleaning day. Start by removing the carpet so that it can get some airing outside, meanwhile as I do the other cleaning. Fixing this carpet is always one of the hardest things in this house. It's super fast and we are moving on well because it's not challenging at all. Cold morning, so I'm gonna be using water from the shower to wash my clothes. Hot water from the shower because I ain't killing myself. Guys, look at all these clothes. Some of them are sweaters. This is the reason why I had to wash clothes. Hey, so I just sort them out depending on the degree of dirt. So I have sweaters on their own and tops on their own. The water is not so clean. I don't know why it's a little brownish this time round. Meshikana kushikana. So that's enough.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, when you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
I want to start by cleaning the bathroom today. So let's start off with the bathroom. I love cleaning my bathroom tiles once in a while, maybe once per month or something, or twice in a month. Yeah, something of that sort. One thing I love about this house is the fact that I was the first one to enter it. So I love taking care of it because ni kama tu ukiingia nyumba yako, you know? I just love that.
Everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win.
For a more white effect, I'm coming in with this. I also got from my friend this toilet cleaner. So just gonna leave it and then I will flush it later. Yes, that's enough. It's time to clean the floor. I'm gonna add a little bit of powder to my washing or cleaning water. So I love pushing this chair so that I can be able to get to my bed easily.
Hide your feelings, keep your secrets, that's just what they told you. Trust nobody, pack up and leave whenever you want to. It's in the way you say my name. I know you're wondering if I feel the same. So let's stop pretending we don't want commitment, and then we talk on a phone call for 70 minutes. Cause we both know we don't wanna get nobody else involved. You just got to be honest if you want it. You know you love me. Cause we both know that we don't wanna get nobody else involved. You just got to be honest if you want it. You know you love me.
All these things are part of my decluttered items, so I need to throw them away. So I want to lift this up. Here. Now let's put this here. So this is the shoe rack that I used to have. I just placed it under the bed. Meanwhile, as I figure out where to trash it. So I want to clean the kitchen area first and then repeat hivi. So I'm getting rid of this carpet. It's not dirty, so I'll still return it back.
Say we're just friends, that don't make sense. You know what we get up to. I ain't never kissed no friend like this. How can we go on denying shit? You say you don't want relationships, then tell me what the hell are we doing? Cause it's so confusing, you're teasing me. It's in the way you say my name. I know you're wondering if I feel the same. So let's stop pretending we don't want commitment, but then we talk on the phone call for 70 minutes. Cause we both know that we don't
so before I clean the sitting area, I love wiping off the surfaces. I start with my mirror. This mirror gets dust quite easily. I don't understand why. And I still wipe my furnitures. I've increased the number of furnitures in this house. So nowadays I have a lot of wiping and cleaning to do, but it doesn't matter because it's really helping in organizing and arranging my small room.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need.
Glucose has overstayed in this house. I'm throwing it away. I don't know what I was thinking buying glucose. Let me place it there. I will throw it.
We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Guys, in the apartment where I live, we usually clean the corridor outside your house. Or is it the balcony? I don't know. But yeah, I always have to clean this part outside my house every time I clean my house. So that means additional work, cleaning work, but I don't mind. I got used to it. Though I've never lived in an apartment where I was cleaning my balcony. We usually had caretakers every time to clean it, but yeah, this one is different.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta.
I'm super tired, guys. Let me just have something to drink. But I'm done washing everything, so the only part remaining is arranging everything back to where it's supposed to be, because I've disarranged the room. But I'm good. At least I'm happy because I've cleaned everything. It's time to arrange everything back. Okay, I'm tired, but I have to finish what I started. It's been an hour now. The weather outside is super cold. I don't know why the sun is not, like, sun inakaa inatokea alafu inaenda. And the way I need that sun because my clothes have to dry. Let's go back to arranging now. Well, this is where I placed this seat because hakuna otherwise. So this one belongs to the sitting room. Then we move here so that the suitcase can fit down here. Go back to where you belong, bro. Yeah. Oh. I'm taking care because this is the tripod and I don't want it to fall down, so we have to be gentle. So these things that I will dispose, let them be here for now. Then we'll have this. This is where I put my in-laws. I don't know how to mention them. Anyway, you guys get this. Oh, and we have this carpet here. This belongs to this place, the kitchen. Mimi waskanyagi anything. I cannot step on these tiles because this place is cold. Yeah, so let's go to the sitting room. I'm gonna go and get the carpet outside.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be
It's almost 11. I've taken like 3 hours doing this because I was filming. Of course I do this within no time when I'm not filming. Yeah, that's how I clean my small house. Hoping you guys have liked this video, and you can always feel free to comment, tell me what to improve, tell me if you've enjoyed the video. You guys can see I'm super tired. I'm feeling like sleeping, but I have to take a shower first. That's basically life living alone. you don't have much to do. You just clean a little bit and relax. So I just want to go take a shower and then watch maybe a short movie. Basically, that will be the end of my video for today, and I'm hoping you guys have subscribed in case you're new to this channel. I'll be bringing more better content, so you don't want to lose or miss on that. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking my videos, guys, and I cannot thank you enough. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.